This one food can shrink an enlarged prostate. In this video, I will discuss how to reduce the size of an enlarged prostate, and I will tell you one food that you can use to shrink an enlarged prostate. The prostate gland is located below the bladder and surrounds the urethra. Normally, its size is about that of a walnut, but when it enlarges, it affects the flow of urine, making urination difficult. Urine does not flow freely, and even after urinating, there is a sensation that the bladder is not completely empty. This issue can be particularly troublesome at night, disturbing sleep. In some cases, an enlarged prostate can even develop into cancer. The medical term for this condition is benign prostatic hyperplasia. In benign prostatic hyperplasia, there is a theory that certain hormones activate this hyperplasia, causing the prostate to enlarge. One of these hormones is testosterone, which is an anabolic hormone responsible for creating new cells, maintaining the body, and repairing tissues. A powerful form of testosterone is DHT, which is formed from testosterone by the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. This DHT contributes to the enlargement of the prostate. Therefore, medications given for an enlarged prostate work by inhibiting the action of this enzyme, slowing down the conversion of testosterone to DHT and thereby reducing DHT levels in the body. However, it is also important to note that as one ages, testosterone levels decrease. With less testosterone, less DHT should be produced. So, why does the prostate size still increase? The reason is that as one ages, the activity of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase increases. Even though testosterone levels decline, the available testosterone is more efficiently converted into DHT. As a result, more DHT is produced, leading to the enlargement of the prostate. The medications given for this condition can reduce the size, but they also have some side effects. These side effects include decreased libido, the potential for prostate cancer with long-term use, and a syndrome that can develop when the medication is stopped. The symptoms of this syndrome include suicidal thoughts, penile atrophy, reduction in penis size, and breast tissue development due to increased estrogen levels in the body. However, if these symptoms are managed, the use of the medication is generally safe. Just a side note. Now, the question arises, is there any natural inhibitor of this enzyme? There is data suggesting that natural substances can reduce the size of an enlarged prostate by up to 21%. These substances not only inhibit the action of this enzyme, but also reduce inflammation and act as excellent antioxidants. One such substance is lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid, a category of plant chemicals that includes various plant-based compounds. When it comes to foods, lycopene is found in watermelon, carrots, grapefruit, and tomatoes. Lycopene is found in the highest concentration in tomatoes. If you grow tomatoes at home, that is excellent. If you buy them from the market, try to choose locally grown, native varieties. An important point is that when tomatoes are heated, the bioavailability of lycopene increases, meaning it is absorbed more effectively by the body. Fresh tomatoes are the best choice. Nowadays, there are products available in the form of tomato paste and tomato sauce, but they often have added sugar, so it's best to avoid them. Another important fact about lycopene is that it is a fat-soluble compound. Therefore, whenever you cook tomatoes, add a little olive oil. The extra fat, when heated, will help release lycopene more effectively. Tomatoes are already an important part of our diet, but try to use olive oil instead of regular cooking oil. Always include tomatoes in your salads and add a bit of olive oil on top. There are also other things you can add to your regimen. Zinc is at the top of the list. Resveratrol, which works well with lycopene, is found in grapes, dark chocolate, berries, peanuts, and peanut butter. Resveratrol is found in these foods, and one more thing to keep in mind is to avoid milk. This is because milk contains both natural and synthetic growth hormones that accelerate the growth of prostate cells and contribute to the enlargement of the prostate. Many people have told me that when they drink milk, they experience urinary retention issues the next day, have trouble sleeping that night, and the problem of prostate enlargement becomes more severe. Therefore, it is best to avoid milk. Then the body's fat cells also produce this enzyme, so weight loss is necessary, and weight gain occurs with increased insulin. So, if you are on a keto diet, you can easily control it. Then there are leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cucumber, peas, broccoli, asparagus. If available, add onions and garlic. All these cruciferous vegetables reduce inflammation and regulate estrogen in the body. Maintaining a balance between these two hormones, estrogen and testosterone, is essential. While in BPH, the level of estrogen increases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.